Kasing Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong MECS menta kasngi ka Khatsantarik Urisau kalapenlong ye kajing ye ki pajba ka bajai Manipur Rajbari Redlands Boys Road Shillong kum kajing kentho na kajing penram ye ki bamut ban pra ye ka yeng khlam kanu kajing sngo ye ka Manipuri Rajbari ka badan hanong ba Shillong haba ay kajing kran shkilat pthai khubor hakani kasngi ka bamenta Nakliang jong Dr. Muni Singning Thojam ubade President jong MECS ulapan ramjo regitu ki bamot ban prano ye kani ka yeng namar kani ka yeng ka longkum ka jingsa jingkan mau jong ka pateng la pateng ye ka jing ye te jong ka jala Manipur bat ka Meghalaya hakipor ki bamanshwa hakani ka jing ye khi la yo ban ye don ringat lang baro ki brew ki bawan na Manipur ki ban kersha ni ka jing penne pansa ki pateng jong ki longshwa halor jong ka jing du no e ka jaka ka bakong san ha ka history ka bay samlang jong ka Manipur bat ka Meghalaya Karaj bari ka yeng kum ka history ka ba ka badai ka jaka ka ba ki jingcha ki bakong san ki ba kentop e ka jing ye soy ba ka jing ye te kular ban pen ye so ya ka Manipur ha ka snam khat khandai spa sob khandai
Work started in such a manner that it was a rainy day and they abruptly and suddenly broke down everything. Of course, in the beginning when they were taking off the roof part, see, as a part of renovation, some tin roof might be changed or certain window plank may be changed like that. So when they were demolishing it partly, we thought that they are bringing it down to man it. So we didn't stop when they were doing it partly. But yeah, when the students asked also, it was informed that way. But suddenly, on a very rainy day, on the 8th October, they just bulldozed the entire bungalow just like that,
It has hurt every feeling of every true might say that our very historical bungalow is demolished. So now what is since the demolition has already been done, what we want now is that those officials involved in making the DPR approving and the carrying out should be punished, and we also would like to give an appeal that whatever materials that has been demolished from the Rajbari should be recovered, kept properly and used for the reconstruction of the same bungalow. That's what I want to say.
I would like to pass on to Dr. Rocky Pebong, Executive Member of MAX, Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong.
Yeah, what I would like to tell is as a clarification, because last Sunday, the Art and Culture Director from Manipur came over here for inspection, and we were gathered here to meet all of them. And what he told was, if we could have been informed a little bit earlier, before demolition or at the time of demolition. But we were suspecting that he might be meaning it to the PDA. If PDA was the executing agency, if they would have informed him. But in the paper, next day in the paper, we come to know that he was meaning it to MECS, that MECS should have informed him little bit in advance so that this could have been stopped. So that is meaningless. That is quite, it's not acceptable because they are the ones who made the DPR. So their department has already made the DPR to demolish it. Then how can he expect that MECS should have informed him? So this is totally unacceptable, and this is just washing off their hands and passing on the bucks. So we are not happy with what he has commented. So all the departments are now trying to escape from this mess. It's a big mess now. So I would like to say that all those officials who were involved in the preparation of the DPR for demolition of this heritage house, those who approve it and those who execute it, all are people who are anti-Manipur, anti-national, and a bunch of greedy beings. That is what I would like to say. Thank you.